Well, hello everybody, welcome back. So today we have a different video than heaters. Today we have an AC video. And actually this is an AC which somehow the customer, let's say the customer is actually a friend, managed to somehow break the turbine inside. So the big parallel flow fan, and it's already down here. I'm really sorry I didn't make the video when disassembling the unit, because this is actually what I wanted to show you, how to disassemble the unit and how to put it back, and there are very good reasons for this. First, once in maybe 1, 2, 3 years, depending on the usage, it's a good idea to clean the AC. And you can buy that nice little pouch, you know, which you can connect to a hose and wash the radiator and so on. The problem is when it comes to this fan. So this fan, this one actually is pretty clean. You can still see some thingies on it, some dust, but it's not that bad. Now this is really hard to clean if you don't take it out. And actually I did this cleaning before and I didn't take out the fan because it seemed to me it was really complicated. So I somehow managed with a brush to clean the fan from here, from this output of the unit where it blows the cold air. And it's really hard to make it. You must hold the fan, you must move the brush, and it will not clean it with a little bit of water. So yeah, it's really a painstaking job. It can be done, but at that point I didn't know it's such an easy job on this Pulsar unit. Yeah, so this is a Gree unit. Pulsar, it will not say it here it's just Gree, but anyway. So what I wanted to show you is how to take the fan out and clean it easily, and also now we are gonna replace the fan because that's just how it is. We do have the new turbine here, brand new, it's a genuine part, so exactly what we need. What you need to do or know, you have a few types of screws here. So you have one very small one which is from the display, this is okay. This is from the ground connection or protection, yeah, right on the radiator, I will show you. And we have these two types. These two screws are shorter and these ones are the same length. One is 15, the other 18 millimeter, and nobody really knows from where these screws are. I mean these two, because at first time when you take them out they really look the same, so you don't really think they are two dimensions. But we will see. If we start screwing it in and feel a little bit of resistance, then probably there where the shorter screw is, and this time we will know together. My feeling is telling me that they will be from here, from this cap, from the electrical connection, and where the electrical box is fixed there with a screw. I don't see any other reason why the other screws would be shorter anywhere else, because I checked all the holes look deep enough, so yeah, we will see. So let's start assembling it. First, what we will do, and I will put back the cap on this unit because mine is still under power. I have no way of taking down the power, so you can see. And I will put the screw on so I can work without getting electrocuted. Good. Okay, so first we will put this here so we can move around with more confidence. And this is just temporary until we put everything back, because then we will need to move this little cable from the display. But until then, let's protect ourselves. This is actually how you can put and take the fan out. So very carefully, here are the pipes, yeah, and you can carefully lift the whole assembly, and you can put the fan right back to its motor there. Okay, so just a little bit. Yeah, I'm using Super Lube. It's a really expensive one, but this is what I had on hand. I will lift this here a little bit and come with this inside. Okay, there. And now we have to go and try to put it on the shaft, hopefully. Okay, maybe I tightened the screw a little bit too much. It's not cooperating, so let's see. Yeah, that was it. That was the problem. I tightened the screw a little bit too much. Okay, so you can see that the screw is aligned with the machine part of the shaft. Now we will go on the other side. I will just put this thingy here. I will take down the protection. All right. We will put a little bit. It is greased. We will put just a little bit. It will not hurt, hopefully. All right, I think that's enough. I will move it a little bit around with my hand. Good. Now let's try to put this back on the shaft. So I will lift the turbine. This just goes in. Oh, really nice. And now let's see. Push it down. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, this is it. You also have access to the screw from here. There is a blade missing from factory, and that's it. Okay, so I think that's it. It moves freely. All right, so actually we are done. This is one screw that is behind the pipes, yeah. This is the other one that holds the blower motor, and this is the clip that I pushed under this one, so there is just held by that, and here are the two screws on this side. So now we will put this back on its place. So here is where I will use my shorter screw, hopefully. It's the right decision. Good. And this should come out of here somewhere. Now let's see. On the top, actually it's only held by these little holes. I think I should try to put the top first. If it wants, what's going on? Well, I think we only have to push it a little bit. All right, this, and this. Well, it only has to go in 3 places, and that's it. And from the behind, I think it's here. Something is not okay with this box. Yeah, I know what. I need to take down the electrical box again. Only the cap, yeah. Because it looks like it will come from the outside. So let's see. Do we need to take it down? Yeah, unfortunately. So this is again out with these. Come back a little. We have to take this down because it will not close otherwise. Pretty interesting, but yeah, it is what it is. So now I really have to be careful here not to touch something. So clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. This looks okay. And now everything's in place. All right. So let me fix this back first. So now we will put the front so we can arrange the cable from the temperature display. Let's see. Yeah, that's it actually. And let's see how this was here. It has 2 little thingies. Here is the small screw. Really careful not to touch anything here. All right. And now let's put back the plate from the electrical wires. And I think we are just fine. All right. Yeah. That's good. I think we will start with the one that's up here. It's a good thing you can only put them one way. Yeah. There are two safety thingies. Yeah, it works like this. When you want to open it, you just pull it, put it back. That's it. Okay. We will close this, but the unit will do it anyway. We closed the lid. And now I will put back the air filter, which is up here, and it just goes in like this. That's it. So the moment of truth. All right, so the remote, let's see what happens. Well, I think it has to position its motors first. Yeah, because we move them by hand. Oh yeah, and it is blowing. I don't hear anything. That is not normal. So yeah, the unit is working again. Okay guys, this is it. I will stop. So originally I wanted to show you how to take down the fan, and in most videos this is how we start. We first take out and then we put everything back together. Now it's the other way around, so if you want to take out your blower and clean it, do everything backwards like I did it in this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.